And now we're ready to create an opportunity record in the system. An opportunity is going to be associated with a given contact. So one of the ways that we can do that, as we've already identified in the past, if we go to our our contacts home page, we'll be able to identify a contact at one of our recent accounts. We could do a lookup for that individual and just go ahead and select them from there. So a few different ways of getting to a contact record. You could drill all the way down from the top, starting with accounts. But here I am. I've got a contact record open. This is Jeff Duncan at MBD, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and associate an opportunity with this. So I'm going to come up here and say I'd like to create a new opportunity. The opportunity name, we're going to have the naming convention of the account. So MBD Lenexa, and it's truck brokerage, so the service line or the type associated with that. So this is the account. Again, the advantage here, it's all pre-populated. That's a great thing. This is going to be transactional. I'm going to be copying and pasting some information from an old tracker of mine, but we know that the overall annual revenue estimate is going to be copied over here. Stage, this we happen to know Paul has already won, so we're going to add that stage. You'll notice that as I change these, the percentage here changes associated with that. So when we say that we've won a deal, or if we say that we've lost a deal, you should be aware we're going to be required to enter in some additional information down here. The estimated start work date, February 2nd. What else is required? The close date is required. Again, very standard here. It's all the same format as the account and the contacts. Anything that has got that solid red bar to the left of it is a requirement. Click in the field, you'll be able to get a conventional calendar layout if that's something that you prefer. On this description, let's just go ahead and use the comments that Paul had. We'll enter those in there. And those are all of the required fields. That's as easy as it is. Just go ahead and fill in that information. If you needed to, if you had gone directly to a new opportunity record, you can certainly do lookups in order to get things to associate these two. Type here, we would add in that this is truck brokerage. We need to update some of these fields for you before we're in production, but again, those are all of the required fields. Go ahead and say save, and you're good to go. Oh, invalid data. As I said, when we say something is closed won or closed lost, it's going to require that we put in some information. So this is actually a great thing that this happens so that you can see what happens. Reason for the win, let's just say this one was because we have a fabulous sales guy, and we'll put in Paul is fabulous. Of course, that's just for fun. We'll go tidy this up afterwards, but now I should be able to save the record now that those two fields are completed. Perfect. Thanks for your attention.